After years in the wilderness, TVR is back with a bang. The British brand's spectacular Griffith is the first all-new model since the 2004 Sagaris, and the first since the company was bought by entrepreneur Les Edgar in 2013. Featuring a powerful V8 engine and rear-wheel drive, the Griffith has models such as the Porsche 911, Aston Martin Vantage and Jaguar F-Type firmly in its sights. It will also spearhead the firm's return to motorsport as it targets a class victory in the Le Mans 24 Hours. On the surface the Griffith looks like a traditional TVR, but scratch beneath and you'll find a blend of cutting-edge tech and old-school engineering. The former approach is provided by the use of McLaren F1 designer Gordon Murray's iStream design and manufacturing process, which allowed the car to move from the sketchboard, or CAD screen, to production-ready reality in under 3 years. Click here for our last drive of the TVR Sagaris. The high-tech approach doesn't extend to the engine, however, which is an off-the-shelf 5.0-liter V8 from Ford. The tried and tested unit isn't the most advanced engine, but it's unbustable and should go a long way to shake off TVR's slightly shaky reputation for reliability. Better still, tweaks by British engineering specialists Cosworth are claimed to deliver even greater performance.